In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the process of adding and removing users in Gas Engineer software. The process is quick and simple, allowing businesses like yours to quickly scale up or down as needed. To do this, you'll first need to head to the web portal and log in. Click the Settings wheel in the upper right-hand corner next to your name. Once in this window, click Manage under Users. In this window, you'll be able to see all active users currently under your subscription. To add a new user, click Add User in the upper right-hand side. In this window, you can toggle the number of users you'd like to add. The price displayed will relate to the plan you are currently on. This example account is on an annual Pro plan, so the price is displayed as a one-time yearly cost for the new user. Click Buy. Now you need to invite the user. Enter in their email, full name, and a temporary password which they'll be able to change later on. Once done, click Send Invite. You should now be able to see the user added to your users list. In their email inbox, they'll receive an email that looks like this. They can log in, add their details, and get started straight away. Alternatively, as the account admin, you can add their details for them directly from the users page. Click on their profile and add their mobile number, gas safe ID, and anything else. You'll also be able to set what they can view within the app here, toggling the calendar, invoice, and restricted options. To add a signature, you can either upload a photo or draw it directly in the software. Click below to use the signature and it should appear in the top right corner of this window. Hit Save after. If you want to remove a user, you simply need to click on the Disable User toggle. The number of users on your subscription will have decreased and you will no longer be paying for their account. This action is completely reversible, so if you want to reactivate them, you can just flip the toggle again and start paying. No data will be lost in this process and they can pick up right where they left off. You are not able to permanently delete a user from the software, but if this needs to be done, please get in touch with our support team on 0207 129 7058. We hope that helps. Feel free to get in touch if you have any more questions.